All right, what is up? Do a little quick one over here at Outdoor World, which used to be Cabela's. So I'm kind of bummed that they changed the name, because it's just Cabela's was the name we're used to, and evidently they merged with Brass Pro Shops or something, so they changed the name. But
I think they were always part of Bass Pro Shops.
I don't know if they were always part of them or not. I always thought they were competitors, but anyway, it is what it is. So I've been on this roof, but it's been a while. And I remember I went over here with somebody else, and they said this one section of the roof they really just hated. So let's go check it out. I'm trying to remember, are these Voyagers? What do they got up here? Looks like it might be a mixture of brands on this one. And they got some train splits. There's a Carrier Gemini or something right there. Train Odysseys. Yeah, it looks like a little one. A couple of those there. It's been a long time. And there's some Train Voyagers right there. But so there's a hatch somewhere up here. You can see that they have the ladder up there. You had to put the filters on here and like push them up and over to get up here to this section. Because there isn't an access point. I think it was that. Either that or it's the very top. Let me zoom back and find out. Remember? Nah, I think this is it. Just to get to these couple units that are up here. Most of them look like they're splits. There's a Voyager right there. And then in the back, let's see, what's the access to get over there? Is there its own access, or is that you hopping over the? I don't remember. I remember it was an obstacle course to get. Nope, there's that ladder, so you do have to come. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, but it's been like 10 years. So let's get a better picture right here. So basically, there's a roof hatch somewhere over here. Where is it? Let's see if we can find it. That's the roof hatch, it looks like right there. Probably where all the stuff is. Okay, so there's the hatch. You gotta bring all the filters up for this whole rooftop. The ones that are on this roof section. And then the ones over here. But then, yeah, that's right. So you have this whole rooftop section back here. There's no access for it. That one access is over there. So you have to take all the filters for every unit you see on the right. You have to push them up that green metal corrugated roof. All of the filters for that one Voyager up there, and then for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them down here. Some of them are pretty big units right here in the middle. All right, let me get situated. I'm trying to remember how it worked, but you have your access point over there, and then there is another access point right up here where all these Voyagers and then telepacks are. But for some reason, I don't remember if it was hard to get to that inside, but he would get all the filters up this access over there and then push them up the green corrugated roof. And then so these telepacks in the middle of the Voyagers, they take a lot of filters. There's that ladder, gets you up and over. And then there's this section. Yeah, looks like a Voyager down there. I don't think it has its own access. Does it? I'm trying to remember. No. I don't know. Maybe there's a door there. I don't see one. And then there's another Voyager there. There's 2 of them. And let's see. I don't think there was any. Yeah, there's no more accesses, I don't think, over here. I think you're, yeah, see the ladder? Yeah. Nah, I'm starting to remember why he hated it so much. You'd have to push the filters up and over this wall, get them down this corrugated roof to get to all these Voyagers over here. There is no, I don't think there's an access unless he's wrong. What's that? Might be an old one. So I remember for some reason there wasn't, and he was taking all the filters, pushing them up and over. And then all the old ones, you had to push, just about where that ladder is, push all those filters all back up. so you can use one of these other rooftop accesses. So. Once you're on the roof, to me, it's pretty cool rooftop. It's not that bad. You see that people are using some ladders up there to get to certain levels. And it's a pretty big area. If you walk from one side up and over to the other, it does take a while. Huh. That's it. That was Cabela's, which is now, you know, Brass Pro Shops. I really like the store, though, as far as shopping there. So I keep calling it Cabela's, but it's just, you know, it's cool. It's got, you know, kids like going back into where all the stuffed animals are.
Yeah, it's cool.
Anyway, till the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Catch you later.